delighted to be in Paris for the 10th edition of Viva Tech. This is Europe's biggest technology event. I congratulate President Macron and the organizers for the success of Viva Tech. Friends, 2026 is a special year for India and Europe. At the beginning of the year, we concluded the historic India-EU Free Trade Agreement. This agreement will expand our trade and investment, and it will open up many pathways for the exchange of talent, technology, and tourism. With the launch of the India-France Year of Innovation this year, France is serving as an important bridge that is bringing the tech ecosystems of India and Europe closer. From Bharat Innovates, held a few days ago in Nice, to Viva Tech in Paris today. Our startups are forging many new partnerships. Friends, in 2021, when I addressed Viva Tech, the world was facing the disruption of COVID-19. Today, the world is experiencing disruption of other kind. And I reiterate the message I shared then at Viva Tech 2021, where convention fails, innovation can help. Friends, in the last decade, India has been going through a rapid transformation that is powered by technology. From creating the world's largest digital identity system to the world's largest digital payment platforms, we are using technology at a massive scale for financial inclusion, education, telemedicine, agriculture, and more. Consider digital payments. Because of our unified payments interface or UPI, half of the world's real-time digital transactions happen in India today. You can now use UPI in France too, at the Eiffel Tower or the Paris airport. We have several examples of such world-class digital public goods. DigiLocker is one of the world's largest digital document wallets. Through DigiLocker, 700 million users are able to access authentic documents from the original source anytime, anywhere. We have onboarded over 2,000 standard documents on the DigiLocker platform. We do not need to store and search for physical documents in India anymore, such as your driving license or vehicle registration certificate. Another example is the Gati Shakti platform. Thanks to technology, we have integrated more than 1,600 geographic data layers on a single GI-based map. We have created an integrated, data-driven, whole-of-government planning platform for infrastructure. Now, project surveys that used to take many months can happen in a few weeks. Friends, 6 years ago, we launched the Swamitva program, a powerful example of technology delivering dignity and economic security. Swamitva combines drones, geospatial mapping, and modern survey technology to provide property records to rural households. Over 31 million property cards have been prepared in almost 200,000 villages. This is helping families to use their property as financial assets. And while the government delivers public good at a scale, our startups are transforming human lives in every sector. Friends, an AI application called Sarlaben speaks to millions of women dairy farmers in their own language, giving expert guidance on livestock health and management. Indian women are being trained as a drone pilots for spraying fertilizer and crop monitoring. Satellite data is guiding hundreds of thousands of fishermen to the most promising fishing zones, helping them save fuel, reduce time, and improve catch. Our technology solutions are delivering prosperity at the grassroots level. Friends, from space technologies to nuclear energy, we are expanding the frontiers of human capability. India became the first country to land near the moon's south pole. And recently, India's prototype fast breeder reactor achieved criticality. It had brought us closer to realizing our three-stage nuclear energy vision, including the use of our vast thorium reserves. Friends, with over 200,000 startups, India is one of the most vibrant ecosystems in the world. I urge you all to visit the India Pavilion. Here, you will get a feel of India's immense energy. But in the world's first single-piece 3D printed rocket engine, advanced genetic engineering therapies, AI solutions that detect cancer and other critical diseases, or improve cyber and network security. Autonomous robots, smart cities, and mobility solutions. You will see all these at the Indian Pavilion. Across sectors, our startups are innovating in an inspiring way. Friends, when it comes to technology, along with innovation, what matters is access. Technology can lead to progress only when it is democratized. India believes that in this era of disruption, technology must deliver for all. Let us take the example of AI. AI must improve lives, widen access, drive growth, and also help us sustain a healthy planet. Our participation as the AI country partner at VivaTech 2026 reflects this very vision. For India, AI means all-inclusive. Friends, India is an open society and the world's largest talent pool. We are simplifying regulations and ensuring ease of doing business. From innovation to commercialization, we are supporting private enterprise through targeted incentives of over $50 billion. We are also providing one of the world's most affordable data and low-cost green energy. Our approach is clear. Our government will enable and industry will innovate. Startups will disrupt and global partners will scale with us. Together, we will move faster than ever. I call upon everyone in this room to take the lead, work with India, and deliver for all. Thank you. Thank you very much.